Hello everyone, David this side. How are you all guys? So I think it's been a long time since we last met, around 4 or 5 months. But here we are. I'm very excited for this video. Why? Because I will be opening the all new MacBook Air M4. So a quick heads up what happened to the last one, yeah. I actually used it only for 2 years. So the last week I spilled water on it on the keyboard and the water got in the screen as well. Okay, so I can see some spots. I decided to solve it to be on the safer side because I read too many Reddit posts because that it will lead to corrosion and all in the logic board. So I think it will be good if I just sell it and like get a new one. It was on the educational discount as well, so we'll be getting the AirPods 3 as well. And that's all. This is a 256 GB and 16 GB RAM model with a very beautiful color midnight. And let's open it then. Yeah. Okay, so let's open it. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let me put this thing. Okay. Yeah, this is the 16 GB, 256 of GB of storage. And okay, let's open it. ASMR, huh? Let's see if my microphone can get it. Moment of truth, if the color is good or not, let's see. Oh, oh. Here we go. Let's keep the MacBook aside. So the same color cable, the midnight color cable, I think it's looked pretty good. Okay. A plug. I didn't upgrade it to the 2 slots because I think one will be enough. I have to use it here only, yeah. Okay. Let's open this thing also. Let's see. Okay. This was not meant to be, but I think the cable is braided. Like from the last 2-3 generations, we are getting the braided cable. It is very good. And just a second. I will try my best to capture the ASMR. So that's all I think we get. We get stickers as well. The last time I got stickers, I don't know. So, these are the stickers from the last time. I haven't used them. It's in the Starlight color. So I don't think we get stickers anymore because I don't have these in the stickers in there. But okay, so now is the moment of truth, not the previous. I will try my best for the ASMR, okay? I think it looks pretty good. To be honest, I like the color, yeah. Okay. Let's open it. To be honest, I love the smell of the new MacBooks. Okay, don't judge me, bas. Hmm. The color looks really good. Like, I was, to be honest, confused between the sky blue and this. I previously ordered the sky blue, but I didn't receive delivery yesterday because I changed my mind at the last moment. Okay, we'll set it up later. Let's see. I think it looks really, really cool. Yeah. Oh, so guys, that's all for the video. I hope you will like it. I hope the mic really captured the ASMR that I was going, like I was trying my best, but I think it looks really good. Yeah. So that's all. I think the the keyboard is also very good, although not as good as this one. Yeah. Yes, sir. But that's all for the video. We'll be setting it up now. I think, let's see, we will be getting like live stream or not. But that's all for the video. Bye bye. Guys, peace out. See ya.